Well, now I got a moment of little peaceful rest that I can take my bike. Here it is. It's being charged the whole day, so I can take it for a ride and make some clips before the guys leave, because it's already roughly 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and this show seems like they're gonna bounce earlier than usual. They're not gonna wait until your 5 o'clock in the afternoon one. So let's start this off. It would be nice to put a key inside, or at least turn it on. Come on. But the reason I can actually take off is because I know there's nobody here. But this wonderful lady.
Hey.
Look at that. Isn't she wonderful? She's a wonderful lady that is willing to help me out for a few. Look at this. PA boys line up. And they all seem like they're young guys. It's a beautiful truck. Hold on, let me zoom out here. There you go. That's much better. They're all low. All of them are low. But this one is fabulous. I love the color scheme on it. The brown, awesome. This one too, I mean, beautiful blue. I wonder what years. I would figure 1980, 1984. Comment if I'm wrong, or if I'm way off wrong. Yeah, the turnout is not that bad. It's just hot as heck. Yeah, like I don't know what this exact temperature is, but it seems like it's 100, without a doubt. There's Tony Justice set up. Browning Fabrications out of Maryland. And that's a beautiful Pete. See, I love them stacks. They look like a 5-inch regular stacks, old school. I love it. That's what I should have done with my Pete. Let's go here first before I head out there. You know what? Let's just go to the golden one here. That's a nice K-Whopper. Mikey looking good as always. That's Mike's out of New Jersey. That ain't bad. Hold up a sec. That is looking mighty. I like them lights on the bumper. Now look at the headlights. Amazing. International. Glass mirrors. Awesome, look at that. Speakers in the back, nice. That is awesome, look at that. It's already set up. At least to haul something, small trailer. If you haul my trailer, that would be looking nice. Something different. Let's move out of his way. See, I'm telling you, some boys are already leaving. It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's hot. They all want to roll out. Plenty of people came in yesterday for a little setup. They had a little light show and a small performance by Tony. Let's check out this lineup. It's going to be a little bit bumpy on this grass, but actually the trucks being on grass makes beautiful pictures. Hey, diamonds are forever. This is nice though. I mean, I can't see it. Nolt. Looks awesome. Marmon. Awesome. Beautiful. Look at that. Bumper and all. And that cab over. Sick. Just plain sick. California hot rod. Okay, all right. Ain't bad. And a lot of them old school here. That's it. Love the support. There's two nice brand new rides to the right. And old school, even the Volvo. Well, that was a good Volvo back in them days. And this on this side, obviously, you got your old. Oh, this Peterbilt. Obviously beautiful. And this Mercer truck, man. Same thing. What do you got? Dining room, living room, bathroom, kitchen, the whole shebang. There's a beautiful triaxle. Heavy hauler. Heavy hauler, heavy money, man. I think they need that extra axle just to haul their money. And this shebang. I think he gets it with that flatbed. I forgot his name. Cool dude. Also carries oversized and stuff like that. Last time I saw him was in Virginia in the large car magazine truck show. And these, one is a flat top, regular standard, but they all got the same color scheme, the same color on the frame, teal. Nice. Here's another view from another side. It's only money. That's what it's called, only money. Nice shirt.
Thanks.
And let's see this one again from the other side. Look at this headlights though. I did not even notice that in that hood. It must be nice to have money. Crazy money right there. All right, let's drive up to the other set, to the uphill section of the show. And obviously, since we are in PA, there's plenty of them all ironed up here, made brand new, looking wonderful, beautiful. Let's check them out. That red and white one. What's up, Chief? Nice shirt. It's pretty. With the diamond in the center. Awesome. Look at that color on that one. Beautiful trailer. What is that, like a 40? Yeah, I think 40-foot trailer. And this guy's kind of like all the way in the back, hiding. I think he's hiding. Look at this. It's a short lineup, but it looks amazing, right? I wish it could have been like kind of a set up straight evenly together. I love this white. White, simple, just like mine. That's a badass color too. What's up, Mikey Mike?
What's up?
I saw your truck earlier. Let's take a closer peek out in the back. The same thing as with the guy yesterday that I mean not yesterday, last weekend at Spencer's Chrome Shop. He had it, remember, painted white on the sides and aluminum stainless in the back. The same sleeper, beautiful. I just wish I could see it inside, man. Hold on, let's see if I can step in. You can't see anything. See this one? I think that's an 18-inch bumper, and it's definitely got to have a car holder axle. There's no way he's sitting so low. I mean, he is low to the ground. Look. Low as you can go. I mean, check this out, how low this truck is, right? Look. And I'm short. I'm like, what, 5'9"? And I almost, look at that. Air breather. All the way almost to the top. So that thing is low.
I had it 3 weeks. I bought it when I was 19.
I wouldn't repaint it. I would leave the paint the way it is. I like that.
What, the mismatch?
Yeah, I like it.
Well, I had a kid
Kinda-
hit me, and 3 weeks after I bought it, I had a kid hit me and total it. I had to rebuild the whole truck.
Oh, shit.
That's
What-
why it's 2 different colors.
What year is this?
99.
You work it?
Yep. I leave for Pompano Beach, Florida, Monday night.
So you're doing over the road. I thought you were only like local here.
I was local. I started over the road.
So see, like it's like the little details that I would not even know that you can't just
Yep.
get them.
They don't screw on. If you look, that ring right there, you take a little screwdriver and pop that out and pull the lens off, put it in, and snap it.
But they don't. So they don't make
Yeah.
these anymore, right?
Nope. You can't hardly find those anywhere. There might be a couple companies that make a new style, but
Yeah, like he said, he wants to repaint it to match his grandfather's 389 truck when he first bought it back in Lancaster County decades ago. Awesome. Over here is Mr. Cornish, the little window. Every single time I see him, he comes up with something new. He adds something addition to his truck. Like you can't see his right now, but in the drums, he's got lights in here. So at night, I actually took a video last night, and it's on Instagram and TikTok, but it's totally wicked. And yes, he doesn't have front brakes. That's why he was able to cut it through his drums and then put the lights on. What's up, doggy? Oh my god, you look kind of scary, dude. And you're drilling. What's up, Mrs. Piggy? I was just about to say that this is basically it as far as the truck show, but look, I'm going into the front and something's pulling in. I don't know if they're coming from another truck show or whatever. They're just stopping in to say what's up, but let me get this on film because oh my god, these rides are just sick. Why so late?
Huh?
Why so late?
Always late.
I gotta check this out up close. See ya, fellas.